Hi, in this video, we are going to analyze what is the main reason behind the rising electricity bills in United States. We are going to analyze the companies of Pacific, California and Southern Florida Edison and Dominion Electric companies. The following table shows the performance of the companies in the year 2024. For example, let us take Pacific Gas and Electric. The company has a long-term debt of nearly $53 billion. The company is having a yearly revenue of $24 billion. And in the financial year 2024, the company has paid interest payment of $3 billion without paying any principal amount. And after that, it resulted a profit of $2.5 billion. Now, had the company made an additional expense of principal amount paid over 20 years, that is, the company is having a debt of nearly $53 billion, and on that debt of $53 billion, the company paid an interest of $3 billion. The company did not made any principal repayment. If the company made principal amount repayment, assuming it paid equal installment over 20 years, this year 2024 the company would have paid additional expense of nearly $2.65 billion. So the revised income of the company would be in loss. The same would have been for California Edison. The company in 2024 made a profit of $1.5 billion. Had it made principal amount repayment, it would have posted a loss of $150 million. So, companies have to charge higher amount so that they would able to recover the principal amount, because for most of the companies the long term debt is unviable. We can see that companies which are having nuclear facilities are able to make profit if they made principal repayment. However, these companies face uncertain future due to nuclear regulatory challenges. Thank you. I have considered only the long-term debt of the companies. Other liabilities for the companies has not been considered in this table. In short, companies, the long-term debt chart which you see here, the other liabilities has not been considered in this table. The total liabilities of the company is much higher than shown in this table. So in order to sustain, companies have to raise prices for debt repayment. There is no other way.